Good afternoon. Williams, Philippines. It is Wednesday, April 23rd at about 3:15 in the AM. Or excuse me, PM. Fireball things in the sky. Yeah. I'm tired. Uh you ever have a day that was just fighting you? I mean, seriously fighting you? Uh, like the computer at work wanted to run slow and was dragging all night. They were doing updates again. Yay. The little where'd I put it? Ah, the little tray for the phone. Yeah, they made me have to argue with them about it. They finally uh emails back and forth and finally just refunded it. It don't work. Ain't the right one. Has a solid piece where a hole's supposed to be. I don't know, maybe their die is off. I don't know. And that wouldn't be the worst of it. Now, I don't know about y'all, but phones, you always need to be able to have access to your phone. Now, they used to not be as important in your life as they are now. Uh, when I was a kid, if the phone went down, we might not have noticed it because, well, the phone just didn't ring that much. For the whole family, the phone didn't ring that much. And when it did, everybody headed for the phone because, well, most likely it was important, at least to somebody. Uh, but then you used to be anchored to that phone because, hey, it was attached to a wall. Yeah. Well, nowadays that's not quite so. I don't think I've seen somebody with a phone attached to the wall in a long time. Very few people have landlines anymore. My aunt still does, but yeah, that landline is almost or is older than I am. I'm not positive. I know it's real close to as old as I am. But nowadays, when you have a phone go down, well, there's your phone book. It's gone. So who do you call? Well, you hope you have a website you can pull up and get a phone number from. But, oh, what are you going to do with a phone number when the phone's dead? Unless you have, you know, two phones or three or, yeah. Well, I had got a chip I was going to put in. That went sideways. They're sending me another SIM card because apparently the one that I've got ain't gonna work the way I want it to work. So time on the phone dealing with that. And then I went and tried to get the other phone. I was gonna shut it down. Ended up spending time on it, tech support. Uh, Quite literally, every time I turn around, I'm getting, I have to restart the phone. And when I have to restart it is because it's saying no network connection. It's like only emergency calls. It won't call anybody but 911. It wouldn't even call 611. But yeah, and I've been having a problem with it not letting my pictures come in, or half the time text. Well, spent about 2.5 hours on the phone going through everything. Finally got it up and going. got it restarted and everything works. Yay. We're going to give them another year. Hopefully, this won't be a mistake. We'll see. Anyway, it is what it is. We're going to keep trying. Because I've had that number for a long time. But anyway, yeah. If that wasn't bad enough, I was trying to get my flight from Amarillo to Dallas covered and figured out. Decided, okay, go ahead and sign up with the webpage for that airline. Had to call tech support. I was getting error messages. I don't know why I'm getting error messages. But the lady got me fixed and got me set up and walked through it and sent me an email and said, here, try this. Only took about a half hour on that one. It's been one of them days where everything fought me the whole way. Except for food. I got home, got to eat something, happy. And while I was sitting down to get through the airline, sat down and ate. Because the food the cooker went dang. That was the only two things that went right today without a fight. So, yay. The point is, even when things are going against you, remember, it could have been worse. There could have been no food. So, hey, we won. We are above ground. It is a reason to be happy. And I am. Even on a day where it seems to be trying to kick me around, I remember it could have been worse. Anyway, yeah, this isn't going to be a long one. It's getting later in the day. And I really do want to get some sleep. Because, yeah, it's one of those days. I hope you've had a blessed one. I hope that you remember that on days when it's kicking you around, try to slide sideways. Don't let it just push you back. And on the days that it does push you down, well, remember you got to get back up. And remember, be thankful, real thankful that it wasn't worse. Because, hey, it can get worse. I know, I've been through some. Don't like worse. Try to avoid it. Try to stay on the positive side. There are too many people that just do not understand. Life is a choice. Choose wisely. John Wayne said, life is hard. It's harder when you're stupid. So please stop being stupid and choose to have a good day. It's a choice. You get to make it. Be positive. Anyway, I'm positive I'm on my way to bed. Anyway, fish out. Oh, Williams, Philippines. And, oh, fish out.